The year is 1900. Under the relentless Aegean sun, off remote Antikythera, a crew of sponge divers sought their livelihood. Plunging into ancient waters, their breath-holding techniques offered glimpses into a world untouched for millennia. There, in the cold, silent seabed, they discovered the decaying timbers of an ancient vessel, a shipwreck frozen over 40 meters deep. Braving immense pressure and darkness, the divers retrieved its sunken cargo. They unearthed marble statues, exquisite bronze sculptures, and amphorae, each a whisper from a bygone era, meticulously preserved by the ocean's chill. Yet amidst these archaeological treasures lay an object of profound mystery. A compact, calcified lump, roughly the size of a shoebox, heavily encrusted with marine growth and corroded bronze. Its true nature, initially unrecognizable, hinted at a complexity far beyond any perceived ancient technology. This enigmatic mass, hauled from the depths, would eventually rewrite our understanding of classical antiquity and the very dawn of scientific computation. It was a secret from the Aegean, destined to unveil a clockwork universe. Hauled from the dark embrace of the Aegean, the enigmatic object initially presented little more than a perplexing, formless mass. Encased in a thick, stony rind of marine concretions, its true identity remained obscured. To the untrained eye, it was merely a calcified rock, a geological anomaly, or perhaps a curious yet unremarkable piece of corroded bronze. For years, even decades, the Antikythera Mechanism, as it would later be known, languished in museum storerooms. It sat among countless other recovered artifacts, awaiting scrutiny, its profound significance utterly unrecognized. Scientists and archaeologists accustomed to identifying familiar forms, statues, pottery, tools, struggled to categorize this unprecedented find. The layers of millennia-old sediment, coupled with severe corrosion, effectively hid a marvel of ancient engineering. Its potential to redefine Hellenistic technology lay dormant, awaiting a new era of scientific inquiry and imaging techniques sophisticated enough to penetrate its stony disguise. Its potential to redefine Hellenistic technology lay dormant, awaiting a new era of scientific inquiry and imaging techniques sophisticated enough to penetrate its stony disguise. It was a silent testament to a forgotten brilliance, patiently waiting to be revealed. It was a silent testament to a forgotten brilliance, patiently waiting to be revealed. It was a silent testament to a forgotten brilliance, patiently waiting to be revealed. It was a silent testament to a forgotten brilliance, patiently waiting to be revealed. For decades, the calcified lump defied understanding, a silent sentinel of a forgotten era, its true nature obscured. But the 1970s brought a revolution in archaeological analysis. Pioneering X-ray imaging techniques offered a chance to peer beyond the corrosive veil, to penetrate the millennia of marine incrustation that had so effectively hidden its secrets. What they found within shocked the scientific world. not a mere rock, but a complex, intricately designed mechanism. The advanced X-rays revealed an astonishing array of interlocking bronze gears, some no bigger than a fingernail, arranged with incredible precision. Finely inscribed astronomical scales, etched with tiny Greek characters, became visible, hinting at sophisticated calculations and a deep understanding of celestial mechanics. This wasn't primitive engineering. It was horological mastery, centuries ahead of its presumed time. The realization dawned. This corroded artifact was an ancient machine, an analog computer of unparalleled sophistication, built to predict astronomical phenomena. It challenged every preconceived notion about the technological capabilities of the Hellenistic world, forcing a radical re-evaluation of ancient scientific genius. Researchers meticulously pieced together the fragments, mapping each gear and inscription, slowly reconstructing the functionality of this impossible device, finally brought to light after 2 millennia.
Modern analysis didn't just confirm an ancient machine. It unveiled a celestial calculator of breathtaking precision. This intricate device, far from being a simple calendar, was an analog computer designed to model the cosmos. Its complex gearing allowed it to accurately predict the movements of the sun and moon, meticulously tracing their paths across the heavens. Crucially, it could forecast lunar and solar eclipses, utilizing sophisticated astronomical cycles like the Saros and Metonic periods. Imagine the ability to anticipate these dramatic celestial events centuries in advance, etched into bronze. Beyond the sun and moon, evidence suggests it tracked the positions of the 5 known planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, a true orrery in miniature. This wasn't merely theoretical knowledge, it was applied engineering, a practical embodiment of their understanding of a clockwork universe. Even more astonishingly, the mechanism incorporated a dial to predict the timing of the ancient Pan-Hellenic Games, including the Olympics, weaving astronomical cycles with societal rhythms. The Antikythera Mechanism thus stands as a profound testament to ancient Greek ingenuity, a marvel of computational engineering that mapped the cosmos with astonishing accuracy, fundamentally reshaping our understanding of their scientific capabilities. The Antikythera Mechanism was not merely a passive record, it was an active predictor. Its intricate gearing systems meticulously mirrored the celestial ballet, allowing its user to precisely chart the sun's annual journey across the zodiac. More profoundly, it tracked the complex orbital cycles of the moon, accounting for its varying speed and phase, a level of sophistication previously thought impossible for its era. This unparalleled device could project solar and lunar eclipses with startling accuracy decades into the future. Imagine the profound impact of foretelling such powerful celestial events, stripping away their mystery and revealing the predictable order of the cosmos. Furthermore, remarkable new evidence suggests the mechanism modeled the erratic, retrograde motions of at least 5 known planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, truly embodying a miniature, functional universe.
Beyond astronomical prediction, one dial even linked these cosmic rhythms to earthly events. The precise 4-year cycle of the ancient Pan-Hellenic Games, including the revered Olympic Games. This fusion of celestial mechanics with societal chronology underscores a worldview where the heavens dictated human endeavor. The Antikythera Mechanism thus stands as a profound testament to ancient Greek genius, an engineering marvel that fundamentally reshapes our understanding of their scientific and technological prowess. The sheer complexity of the Antikythera Mechanism demands we ask, who conceived such a marvel? Its intricate engineering and astronomical precision point unmistakably to the intellectual giants of the Hellenistic era. Foremost, the legendary Archimedes of Syracuse. His mind, a crucible of mathematics and mechanics, formulated principles underpinning modern engineering. From levers and hydrostatics to cosmic models, Archimedes demonstrated a genius capable of envisioning this device. Could it be a lost artifact from his school, or a direct product of his unparalleled intellect? Another towering figure, Posidonius of Rhodes, a polymath whose vast knowledge spanned philosophy, geography, and astronomy. Ancient accounts describe him constructing a sophisticated planetarium, mechanically reproducing the sun, moon, and planets' movements. This closely echoes the purpose of the Antikythera mechanism. The mechanism is not merely an invention. It is a profound testament to a lineage of brilliant minds. It forces us to reconsider the intellectual landscape of antiquity, challenging conventional narratives and revealing a hidden stream of technological innovation in the ancient world. A clockwork universe glimpsed through the mists of time.
The Antikythera Mechanism, a monument to Hellenistic genius, poses a profound historical paradox. For over a millennium following its creation, such sophisticated mechanical ingenuity seemingly vanished from the Western world. What explains this profound discontinuity? With the decline and eventual fall of the Roman Empire, much advanced scientific and engineering knowledge of the classical age entered stagnation in Europe. Libraries burned, centers of learning crumbled, and the intricate arts of precision craftsmanship faded. While some classical texts and innovations were preserved and developed in the Byzantine East and the Islamic Golden Age, the direct lineage of this complex Greek clockwork tradition appears broken. It was as if the blueprint for a clockwork universe had been lost in history's tides. Only in the High Middle Ages, in medieval European workshops, did principles of intricate gearing and complex horology slowly re-emerge. Great cathedral clocks, though monumental, were built upon foundations dormant for centuries. The Antikythera Mechanism thus compels us to confront the fragility of knowledge. How easily can centuries of accumulated wisdom be extinguished, and how remarkable is its rediscovery? It is a stark reminder: history is not a linear progression, but a complex tapestry of forgotten marvels and rediscovered insights. The Antikythera Mechanism compels us to fundamentally revise our understanding of ancient Hellenistic civilization. For centuries, the conventional narrative depicted the Greeks as brilliant philosophers and mathematicians, yet limited in practical engineering, especially regarding complex machines. We often imagined their world, rich in abstract thought and philosophical debate, as technologically primitive by later standards. But this incredible artifact shatters that perception, offering a glimpse into a hidden technological frontier. It reveals a sophisticated tradition of precision mechanics, astronomical observation, and mathematical modeling far beyond what was previously believed possible for the period. It demonstrates that the ancient Greeks possessed an intimate understanding of intricate gear trains, epicyclic movements, and complex calendrical systems, rivaling and in some respects surpassing achievements made over a millennium later in diverse cultures. This isn't just a curiosity, it is a profound historical statement, reshaping our entire perspective. It demands that we imagine a Hellenistic world capable of creating not just monumental temples and timeless tragedies, but also intricate clockwork universes that mirrored the cosmos.
This hidden past profoundly challenges our ingrained assumptions about technological linearity and progress, urging us to look beyond the visible ruins and reconsider the full, extraordinary spectrum of their scientific and engineering genius, revealing an ancient world far more advanced than we previously dared to believe. Even after decades of intense scrutiny, the Antikythera Mechanism remains a profound enigma, its silent gears continuing to whisper unanswered questions across millennia. We still grapple with its precise origin. Was it the singular masterpiece of a forgotten genius from Rhodes or Syracuse, or a surviving example of a wider Hellenistic tradition of automatons? Its full operational capabilities also elude us. Some speculate it tracked more celestial bodies or served other unknown calendrical functions. But perhaps the greatest mystery is not what it was, but why such advanced knowledge seemingly vanished. Why did the Roman world, with its practical engineering prowess, not develop or preserve this mechanical sophistication? Why did the Roman world, with its practical engineering prowess, not develop or preserve this mechanical sophistication? The Antikythera Mechanism is a powerful, humbling reminder that history is not a linear progression, but a labyrinth of lost paths and unexpected achievements. It compels us to recognize the boundless ingenuity of humanity, urging us to remain ever curious, to constantly question, and to dig deeper into the forgotten archives of time, for the past always holds more secrets than we dare to imagine.